Cebu Eastern College philosophy. The Cebu Eastern College believes that the best education is eclectic education, inscribed in cultural of excellence, freedom, and relevance. The Cebu Eastern vision. Cebu Eastern College Incorporated is non-stock, non-profit private educational institution that adopts college teaching homes holistic, morally upright, globally competent graduates equipped with 21st century skills and contributes meaningfully to community. Uh, Cebu Eastern College Mission, a Filipino-Chinese institution that aims to produce leaders who possess Confucius values, foster academic and extracurricular excellence, and provide service with integrity. The, the, the Cebu Eastern College goals. The Cebu Eastern College Incorporated aims to develop academically excellent, morally upright, and competent learners grounded in Confucian values who pursue harmony, integrity, and lifelong learning.